Good morning, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than 2 minutes. Already have a pre-market order out here on INO at 937 to buy. Just an introductory order. Whether or not it gets down there in pre-market, we shall see. But that is where I'm going to leave it out there even after the market opens. So I will keep you updated, but hopefully I'll be back here in just a few moments because I'm about to get filled on this buy. All right, have a couple orders out there. Have that one to buy still, but then have one to short if it breaks up above the $10 mark. Looking like a 10 or 937 has a chance now. Let's see if it can get down there. Okay, I'm in there. Just an opening position, so I will look to build more if possible. So let's see what happens here. All right, all out there for a quick 120. If it wants to pull back some more, I will restart the process just looking at the numbers. Okay. 901, we'll go for another 1,000 shares. So there's that. I'm going to look around for some other trades. I will keep you updated. All right, let me catch my bearings here. Wow, that was fast. Literally put in an order at 1375 and this thing collapsed. And I'll explain here in a second. I want to get my next order out there. And that fast, before I could even, like I said, get my bearings, I was already up where I made 150 on it. So I like when things move that fast in my favor, but that was very, very fast there. So new order now at 1337. We'll see if it can get down there on this pullback here. Still have a couple orders out there on INO. Let's see if it wants to get down there and break through 1350 though. So I'll keep it running just because of how fast this thing can absolutely move. So it looks like it's no, and then it's going back up. All right, I will pause it. So as it stands right now, I have 3 fishing orders out there. You can see all those orders down there. So I'm scanning the market and looking for nibbles, but those are the current status of things. So I will keep you updated. Okay, looking like GLYC could come into play here. 1285 entry point. Actually, 1275 worked like a charm last time. So let's do 1275. So let's see if it can break down through 13. Now it's stumbling around a little bit. DY flashing up on the scanner. I feel like I should go check out that one, but where this one sits right now, give it another chance to break through 13. And now we sit and wait. I should get at least DY alerted in the chat room as we wait here. Okay. So there we go. DY is at least alerted now. And it bounced. All right. Well, I will pause it. All right. Going for that break of 13. Just happened. Let's see if I can get the 1275s, but shoot. Low of 1278. All right, I don't like how it's hovering there, so I'll have to readjust. I'll go to 1237 now. Bummer. Just double checking everything at 1237. So was within 3 cents, but didn't quite have enough oomph to get down there, so we'll see what else is out there. All right, looking for a short here on this current bounce. Initial order 500 shares at 101.99. It can be a fast mover, so I wanted to at least let you know just in case it moved super fast and I couldn't quite get the entry point recorded. So that is the current order that's sitting out there. I really wish I could say that I've been distracted like in past videos where by my kids or, you know, some sort of real estate thing or just bit or something, but that's not the case. I've been actively seeking, actively trying to get some things filled and absolutely nothing. And it's now about 40 minutes into the day. So when you stop and consider that literally all these orders came within the first 3 minutes of the day, it just goes to show that every morning is a different bundle. I honestly thought, oh yeah, Clay, this is going to be such a good video. You're probably going to put together $1,000 day at this rate. I mean, look at all, and then just like that, nothing. And, you know, past times, like I said, okay, well, yeah, I got distracted. I haven't really been even trying, so maybe I missed things of my own fault. But no, this was me totally seeking. So I'm not going to say I'm frustrated because that's not the case. I'm just saying it's still amazing to this day how different every morning can be. And for you, if you're newer, then just realize that a morning can start off really fast like you saw here and then go quiet. But on the flip side, things can start off very slow and then pick up all of a sudden too. So, you know, there's definitely, it cuts both ways. But I'm going to keep on searching. I'll give myself another 10 minutes, which would put an hour in the day. And then I have some other stuff I want to get working on. So I'm going to keep at it, keep the axe to the grindstone for another 10 minutes and hopefully be able to capture one more trade. But I guess on the bright side, at least I still captured a couple of them, but we'll see what I can find. All right, it is 10:31, an hour in the day, up 270. So don't get me wrong, I'm very happy with $270 for an hour's worth of quote unquote work in my underwear. But yeah, just crazy how much things slowed down. So from a big bang to just all of a sudden crickets, but it is what it is. Good news is there's still 5.5 hours left in the day. So we'll see what else I can find out there. So as I wrap things up, very quickly, if you enjoy the video and want me to keep making these live trades, then the easiest way to express that to me, click that like button, and you know, comments are always welcome below. Also, check out the remainder of the channel. Lots of other different types of videos of all different sorts. So hopefully you decide to subscribe to the channel. You remember me mentioning that the chat room and making alerts if you're interested in joining the chat room. So trading alongside me and others. ClayTrader.com. That is the inner circle. $99 for 1 year membership, not per month. 1 year, so a very, very fair price. And finally, if you're interested in learning how to use charts, trade with charts, then again, I offer training courses on that at claytrader.com. So thank you again to you as viewers and subscribers. I appreciate your support. See you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point.